Dairy Pet Center is the area's #1 source for saltwater fish.
What the hell? It's the best part of the song. Why would you stop it?
Pandora sucks balls.
What? Is that Enya?
I'm the Spotify Premium guy. Spotify Premium allows you to listen to millions of songs whenever you want. For only $10, you can create your own list, follow your favorite artists, and the best part? No ads.
No ads?
No ads.
Wow, no ads? All Enya.
Sign up today and tell your friends.
Time. What is time? What time is? It's 7:30. You see, to some, time may fly by, while to others may stand perfectly still. Everyone experiences the same amount of time, but at the same time, it's completely different. How will you experience it?
Well, hell! There's my phone.
911, what's your emergency?
Yes, my friend's choking. Don't be. The next coming, okay? Okay? I can't believe your tile bring your phone all the way across that whole house. I know, and you were alive because of the tile.
Here they come again. The players. The urges. I can't. I shouldn't. They don't deserve this. I can't go back. I can't go back.
What? What? No! 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 No!
Audience flavor is to kill for.
In 2011, while working for a local charity organization, Mr. Beatty was given $100 to give to those in need, but he kept it to pay for his meaningless film degree. Do you really trust this man to lead us out of the China debt?
Politics!
Cameron Beatty still wets the bed. How do you expect him to lead the country when he can't even lead himself into the bathroom?
I'd rather stick hot pokers in my eyes than vote for Governor Beatty. I lent him $1 once, never got it back.
Mr. Beatty? He always struck me as, what's the word? Pedophile.
New Mexico has the second highest unemployment rate in the nation, and while most people are clamoring for the chance to get a full-time job, Mr. Beatty continually refuses to work weekends. Instead, he takes advantage of the hard-working American and steals from the less fortunate.
Change under his watch? With Mr. Beatty, the answer is no. But with me, change will take place.
I care about New Mexico and the beautiful people that live here, and we can make this heap of dirt a booming oasis for change. I'm Tyler Comerford, and I approve this message.
¿Qué es eso? Agua. Ojalá y pueda algo que pueda poner en esta agua. Chatar mío. Wow, ¿cómo estás mío? Solo pap, choro y beber. Wow. Es delicioso. Delicioso. Chatar mío. Chatar mío.